You're watching BrainStorm Acres. I'm Henry. It's early. Well, not too early. It's about 5:30 in the morning. A little chilly out. And I'm doing something I hadn't planned to need to do this morning. I'll tell you about it on the way up to the water tanks. You see all that stuff under the tarp? That's supposed to be going in the truck this morning. So you may want to know why I'm going up to the water tank and why I'm taking a saw with me. Well, it's a long, sorry tale. Some of you who've been watching for a while may know that we live off-grid and we're on water haul. Now, water haul's no big deal, except when it is. Yesterday, I had one of our water tanks filled that had a problem. Well, the tank itself didn't have a problem, but there was a problem with the piping. The pipe had broken. So back to my tale of woe. So, it took a while to get a replacement water valve in, and I didn't really need the third tank until pretty recently. So, behind me you can see the water tank. It's a 2,600 gallon tank, which is awesome because we use it to make our water system more resilient in the summertime. Well, it's finally there. I finally got the valve in. After several times ordering it, the right one came in, and I had the time to go ahead and install it. I started the install a few days ago. I had to dig. Like my friend Jim at Green Dream Project, I dug. Well, this wasn't too bad because I'd already dug this up before. But the soil compacted and got hard. And since there was water pipes in the ground, I had to be very careful digging. So I dug. I finished the install for the second time yesterday. Glued everything up. Everything looked great. I let it set and then opened the valve on this tank. Everything looked great until it didn't. And it didn't in a really irritating way. Here, let me go show you. Now you can see it's wet down here. But I expected that. When you cut a water pipe and there's water in it, some will come out. The problem here is I developed a leak at this valve. And worse, this joint developed a pinhole leak of water. And normally a pinhole leak wouldn't be a big deal, except when you live off-grid and you're on water haul. A drip, a steady drip, can use an awful lot of water in a real hurry. So I have to repair this. Now this is the second time I've had to repair this week. Let's hope that it works this time.